Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in Washington State. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we get started, we need to gather the required documents. So you need the vehicle title signed by the seller and buyer, the bill of sale, this is recommended for proof of purchase price, the odometer disclosure required if the car is under 10 years old, and valid ID for both parties. Then you need to complete the title. So the seller must sign the title where asked for the register's owner's signature, fill in the buyer's information, sale price and date of sale, provide the current odometer reading if required. Then the buyer must ensure all information is filled out correctly before taking possession of the vehicle. Then from here, we need to go ahead and report the sale. So the seller's responsibility. So the seller must file a report of sale within 5 days of the transfer. This protects the seller from future liability, tickets, accidents, etc. Then transfer the title. So buyer's responsibility. So the buyer has 15 days from the date of purchase to transfer the title. So you can go to a vehicle licensing office in Washington, submit the signed title, bill of sale and ID, then pay the title transfer fee and any applicable taxes. Use taxes based on the purchase price or fair market value. Then from there, get registration and plates if needed. So if the car is new to you, you will need to register in your name. You may keep existing plates if staying in Washington or get new ones if required.